Sometimes in life, things may not work out the way you planned. But having a partner that is goodly supportive, encouraging, creative, and full of enthusiasm for a better tomorrow makes you richer than anyone or anything you can think of. Death is not the end of life. Life partner is the end of life. Husband wife relation is like a Titanic watch looks for the exact time to drown you. A stranger can become soulmate. A stranger can become soulmate, but just as quickly a soulmate can also become stranger. I let my body talk naturally, independently, like a good friend. I have known for years who I trust and share the adventure of life with the majority of the people do not seem to agree upon one single law that can be used with less effort in attracting the ideal life partner to us. Soulmate is not who always brings you flowers. Soulmate is who gets right of the flowers because they know you are allergic to flowers. Both partners can grow. Both partners can grow and evolve together once they mutually work for what is right rather than fighting for who is right in their committed relationship. You deserve someone better. Someone who respects your sentiments. You deserve someone better. Someone who respects your sentiments. Someone who consults you. Not someone who is always demanding and authoritative, who is always demanding and authoritative. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Wait for someone worth you. Life will be so beautiful. Just marry someone who loves you instead of the person you love. For a lover, there is only one continent. The continent of companion. For a lover, there is only one ocean. The ocean for union. Lover lost in love in their own therapist. It's only the half lovers who need psychoanalysis. Thanks for watching.